In 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you how you can buy from any online retailer and get it shipped to your doorsteps in Jamaica absolutely free. Yep, you heard me right. You'll be able to buy from places like Amazon, Walmart, Victoria's Secret, and get them delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica for free. Hi, my name is Robert Taylor, and like you, my business partners and I, we became frustrated with substandard shipping services to Jamaica. Why do I have to go join a line to pick up my packages? Why can't it be delivered straight to my doorstep, whether my home or my office? And that is why we've created Ship Quicker. Ship Quicker delivers your packages faster, more reliable and cheaper. We send you regular updates via text plus email to let you know when your package is received and when it is on the move to you. As a member, you'll be able to ship letters and documents absolutely free. We have already shipped and delivered thousands of packages for customers just like you. You know what? Hear what some of them have to say in their testimonial videos that are below here. We just make it hassle-free and convenient for you to shop online and pay for your shipment online. You can use debit or credit card, PayPal, Zelle, or even local bank transfers. Join our family today by filling out the form and clicking the green Create Shipping Account button and receive an instant free coupon. And for today and today only, when you click that green button, you'll be able to join our Platinum membership absolutely free. That is like extending Amazon Prime to your doorstep. You'll receive 4 free shipping coupons every year. What are you waiting for? Fill out the form, click the green button and join our family today. Buy the things them from online retailers, get them delivered to your doorstep in Jamaica absolutely free. Fill out the form, click the green button and you're on your way. Do it now.